Hello everyone, let's check out the exercise of chapter number 6. Oral questions. With whom is Sabarmati Ashram associated? Answer. Sabarmati Ashram is associated with Mahatma Gandhi. It was the house of Gandhiji for many years. Taste yourself. First number. Name the two main island groups of India. Answer is C, both A and B. Second number, Sabarmati Ashram is located near the city of, answer is C, Ahmedabad. A number, MCQs. First, name the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. Answer is A, Kanyakumari. Second number, name the most important port on Malabar coast. Answer is A, Kochi. Third number, name the main crop of Lakshadweep Island. Answer is C, coconut. B number, name the following. First, the folk dance of Gujarat. Answer is Garba. Second number, the largest sea port of India. Answer is Mumbai. Third number, the God's own country. Answer is Kerala. Fourth number, an artificial harbour. Answer is Chennai. Fifth number, the longest beach of India. Answer is Marina. Sixth number, a Gulf of Kutch. Answer is of Kutch. C number, write short answers. First, what is Chennai famous for? Answer, Chennai is famous for its silk saris. Second number, what is a lagoon? Second number answer, salt water lakes are called lagoons. Third number, what is a port? Name any two ports. Third number answer, a port is a place where ships load or unload goods and cargoes. Chennai and Mumbai are the two ports. Fourth number, mention two dance forms of Kerala. Answer, fourth number, Kathakali and Mohinittam are the famous classical dance forms of Kerala. Fifth number, which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Fifth number answer, Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. D number, answer the following questions. First, where do the western coastal plains lie? How many parts are they divided into? Answer first, western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plain is divided into three parts. For example, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Second number, why is the coconut tree called the tree of wealth? Answer of second, the coconut tree is called the tree of wealth since all its parts are useful. The core from the coconut shell is used to make ropes, carpets, mats and mattresses. Dear students, D numbers, third number is cancelled. Fourth number, why is Bombay High important? Answer of fourth number, petroleum is found in a Bombay High, a sea bed near Mumbai, therefore it is important. E number, high order thinking skills. Hot question, why do you think the secular jail is called a national monument? Answer of E number, when India was under the British rule, the British government used to send freedom fighters to these islands. They were kept in the secular jail at Port Blair. Since this building has historical importance, it is called a national monument. Dear students, F number value corner we have cancelled. A number activity we are not checking out. We are going to check out B number crossword. First number, substance formed from the skeletons and remains of sea creature. Answer is China, China. Second number, land surrounded by water on a three sides. Answer is peninsula, Peninsula. Third number, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep are a group of blank islands. ISLANDS. Fourth number, capital of Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Answer is KAVARATTI. Fifth number, national park that is home to Asiatic lion. Answer is Gir, GIR, Gir. Seven number, backwater of sea or lakes. Answer is lagoon, LAGOON, lagoon. Down. First, the third largest port in India. Answer is Chennai, CHENNAI. Second number, capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Answer is Port Blair, PORTBLAIR, Port Blair. Sixth number, the Konkan coast extends from the blank Khambat to Goa. Answer is Gulf, GULF, Gulf. Eighth number, the milk capital of India. Answer Anand, ANAND. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. Okay, thank you. This is your homework.